Hey YouTube, I got a Medallion Keypad that I need to reset to factory setting and program it with a new code. But before you can do that, you need to check your Genie screwdriver and its pin position. So let me open this up. Right there. Make a note of it. There's 1 to 12 pin placement. So you're gonna go, if you look at that, that's number 1 is down, 2 is up, 3 is up, 4 is down, 5 is up, 6 is down, 7 is up, 8 is down, 9, 10, 11 are all up, and the last one is 12, which is down. That's very important. Let me show you why. I'm going to show you a chart, and we could decipher the secret code or operator code. Hang tight. This is how you figure out your secret code on your Genie, so you could program your keypad. So this is the key right here, right? And I did say that 1 is down, number 2 is up, number 3 is up, and if you look at the key on top, that would be number 3. So this is 3, and 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, that's 2 right here. And UDU, up, down, up, 7, 8, 9. That would be number 5 right there. And finally, 10, 11, 12, you got up, up, down, pin placement or position, and that would be 6. There you go. That's your code. Let's go outside and I'll show you how to use that secret code. Lift it halfway, press the pound and 8 key at the same time, lock it in place, let go, close it, open it up, reset it by pressing 3, 5, 7 and the pound key. Enter your new pin. For this testing, we'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4. And pound. Enter your secret code or operator code that we calculated. In this case, it's 3256. And asterisk. Slide it down, test your new code. That's it. How about that? Beautiful. Open it up, do it again. Perfect. Let's do a backward coding, 9876. Reset this keypad one more time. Lift it up. Let go. Downward. Open it up. Reset it by pressing 3, 5, 7. Pound. Enter your new pin. Pound, enter the secret code, 3, 2, 5, 6, asterisk, slide it down, test the new code, 9, 8, 7, 6. And that's how you program it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Chat with you guys later. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, how-to video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.